What's up everyone, CJ here, hope you're all doing well. So this lesson is going to be very quick for you guys. In this video I'm showing you 5 really cool and solid rock fills. I find that all of these fills work really great in a rock and, a heavier pop setting. And, they're not too much overplaying and they sound really cool. I'm not going to do too much talking to you guys. I'm going to break all of these fills down at 70 BPM, and then the core tempo, the goal tempo for you guys is going to be 116 BPM. And of course, before we get started, all my channel members out there can download everything from this lesson via the link in the members community tab. So if you would like to have the transcripts of all of these drum fills and the drum tracks from this video to practice to, consider joining the channel membership. Alright you guys, let's break down these fills. There you go, my friends. 5 really cool and solid rock fills. Just remember to start off slowly at first. You know, don't just start at 70 BPM and then jump right to 116 BPM. Gradually increase the tempo by like 2 or 5 BPMs. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated whenever I release a new video. If you want to check out more fun fills to learn, you can check out these 2 videos right here. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and good luck with your drumming. I'll see you soon.